Hey gang, what's up? I'm carrying on with my Leaf Boxes break series. Think I'm gonna do, I think I did baseball last. I'm gonna do the Ultimate Leaf Draft next. I think the fanciest box is the Trinity, so I might save that for last. But I really like the look of the flash cards. But anyways, these just remind me, honestly, of just like some old school. What year? If this was a reprint, it would have been, oh man, like 91 maybe. So these definitely have an old school look to them. Hopefully we get somebody good. I had never opened a hobby box of Leaf anything, and my first break was baseball product, and I didn't do very well. So I'm hoping that I'll do better with football. Alright, I'm going to pull these out and then just pull them out one by one. See how I want to do this again, like this. Try not to look at it myself. Okay. Woo! I want to be surprised too since these breaks go so fast. Alright, first one is Auden Tate. First thing I want to say is this is a thick stock card. I kind of didn't expect that. It is on card, blue ink. It is not individually numbered. So yeah, Auden Tate is card number 1 of 5. Next up we have Carlton Davis, the Auburn player. 19 out of 25. Again, old on card, gold. It's a good looking card. Alright. Number 3. Dalton Schultz. 1 out of 5. This is a pretty good card. On card really looks good. That black board. I'm glad these come in top loaders because this all black card would probably be beat to hell and back in a pack. Yeah, pretty happy with that pull. Oh, and there's like the old school gold leaf stars. Huh. Alright, not bad. Number 4 is a redemption. Derwin James, 1992, Leaf Black Gold Auto card. So yeah, I said 91, it's 92. It's the black gold. So got a little redemption there. Need to get on because it expires in a couple of months. Last card is, what is this? Well, it's definitely an autograph, 1 of 1 plate. Cam Serene? I can't even, the name is so small. Serigene. Well, this would be wonderful if I had any clue who Cam Serene is. Nice looking plate. I'm glad it's not a redemption. I mean, it's in hand, but yeah, I don't know about that. Alright, well, so far that's 2 boxes of Leaf hobby stuff, and I'm not like thrilled. The Dalton Schultz is nice. I guess the Carlton Davis isn't too bad either, and Auden Tate's okay. I guess it's okay. Definitely not thrilled though. I was hoping for better luck out of this stuff, but I still got another Leaf Metal Draft Baseball. I've got the Trinity and the Flash and a box of Valiant on the way. So all hope is not lost, and I have been crazy lucky lately, so we shall see. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate, and gals, I appreciate you being here, and I'll be back with my next video very soon.